Okay, so let me kind of go through this. So here's the Will Stanley clause up at the top. You do not need to write the reaction for every calculation, mainly because, like on number 1, you have benzoic acid, you have Ka, calculate the following initial pH. So on each one of those B through F, you don't need to rewrite that the acid plus OH is going to get you water and the anion. Okay, if you want to, great. Okay, but what you'll notice is that the only thing that's going to change as you work your way down is the amount of hydroxide that you generate and the amount of anion. Now, does that mean I don't have to show any work? God, no. Okay? God, no. That is not what that means. It just means that you don't need to rewrite that reaction every time. If you want to, great. But you don't have to. So, what's the difference between 1 and 2?
Different acids. 1? Is it 1? 2 is a strong acid.
2 is a strong acid. So what did I not give you? Hey. Now, if you completely neutralize the solution, which is what's going to happen on number 2, what's your pH going to be when you completely neutralize it? Exactly 7. Exactly 7. Now, when you get to number 3, notice that number 3, you're back to a weak acid, strong base. So I go weak acid, strong base, strong acid, strong base, weak acid, strong base. You're going to compare your answer to 2D and 3E. Okay? Now, listen to me, and I tell you, explain the difference in terms of relative strength of the conjugate base resulting from the titration and the interaction with the water molecule. You want to explain that in terms of both of those. Reference both when you answer 4F. Now, do not try and do this work here. Do the work on another sheet of paper. What I want here is just your answers. Okay? But keep it organized, so in case I have to go back and try and find something, do not just randomly write down lines and think I'm going to know what they are. Okay? Just because I'm telling you don't have to write out the reactions doesn't mean I don't want you to keep it organized and lay everything out. Okay? So, I'm done. You're on your own. Please.